Hey everybody! Today we're going to share with you our top 7 best solar generators that wowed us this year. We evaluated each model according to its power output, inverter rating, battery life, functionality, price, and upgradeability. To make it easier for you to find out which product would best match your needs and budget, we've categorized the list to highlight where each of our recommendations excels the most. If you're interested to know more about the products we'll cover later on, check out the links posted in the video description below. Now let's get right into the video. Starting with the best premium solar generator, the Renogy Lykan 5000 Power Box. What better way to start our list than by putting a spotlight on our top pick among the high-end solar generators, the Renogy Lykan 5000. In terms of power, this model has a power rating of 4,800 watt-hour. With this much capacity, it can be used to continue operating heavy-duty home appliances even when there's an outage. The Lykan 5000 may also be charged quickly through solar panels and AC electric outlets, separately or at the same time. You can easily check its charging and discharging status with the use of the DC Home app. On the other hand, if you want it to last longer, you can also easily expand its capacity to a maximum of 19,200 watt-hour by just adding more energy batteries. The company behind this product assures its customers that its premium solar generators are built to last. The battery has a lifespan of around 4,500 cycles. Therefore, if you intend to use this solar generator once each day, the original battery capacity won't drop below the 80% mark until it reaches its 10th year of usage. The safety of the customers and their respective properties had also been considered while designing this model. The Lykan 5000 is equipped with circuit breakers and surge protectors, so that the risk of overloads and other similar electric failures would be greatly minimized. Next up, we have the best affordable solar generator, the Taclife P50 500 watt-hour portable power station. Now, if budget is an issue for you, consider the Taclife P50 solar-ready generator. Its 500 watt-hour capacity would likely be more than enough to get you through a power outage. It can be used to power the essentials like a mini fridge, a 32-inch LCD TV, or other charges for your electronics. The manufacturer has even added a 10-watt wireless charging pad on this model to make it more convenient to use with most key-compatible smartphones. If you preferred wired charging, the Taclife P50 also has 5 different kinds of ports that you may use all at the same time. Checking how much juice is left on the equipment is as simple as looking at its LCD screen. To recharge this portable power station, you'd have to get solar panels, which are sold separately. Since the unit comes pre-installed with a maximum power point tracker or MPPT, its recharging capabilities through solar energy are optimized all the time. And now for the most value for money solar generator, the Max Oak Bluetti portable power station. This mid-range solar generator packs enough features and capacity to rival even some of the more expensive models from other manufacturers. The Max Oak Bluetti has a 1,500 watt-hour lithium battery that can be used as a power supply during blackouts or emergencies. Its portable size and relatively lightweight makes it the perfect companion even when you go out on a road trip. This model is also compatible with various types of devices given its 4 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port, 2 AC ports, and 1 DC outlet. Next, we have the fastest charging solar generator, the EcoFlow Delta Pro. Despite being a high-capacity solar generator, the EcoFlow Delta Pro can be fully charged within 2 hours or less. It achieves this feat through the multi-charge feature, wherein you can opt to recharge the unit in 6 different ways. Some might worry about the safety risks of this special feature of the product. EcoFlow assures, however, that the battery management system of the solar generator monitors and regulates the current flow, voltage, and equipment temperature. The battery also has 6,500 charging cycles. Therefore, you can operate the Delta Pro for several years before the battery capacity would drop to 50% of the original. This speed and convenience comes with a pretty hefty price tag, but its loyal customers believe that it's a worthy investment. The Delta Pro comes with a capacity of 3,600 watt-hour. That means it can be used to provide power for some heavy-duty equipment like a clothes dryer or an air conditioner. If you need more, this model can be expanded up to 25,000 watt-hour by adding more batteries. 2 units can also be paired up so that you get the total capacity of 7,200 watt-hour. If you purchase a smart home panel add-on, you can also connect the solar generator to a maximum of 10 electric circuits in your home. As such, your day-to-day life won't be disrupted too much when the power goes out. You may also use the Delta Pro to save on your electricity bills. Now to the most flexible solar generator, the Gold Zero Yeti 1500X Portable Power Station. Whether you plan to use this solar generator at home, at your workshop, or while off-grid camping, the Goal Zero Yeti 1500X will likely deliver. Promising to be your power outlet wherever you go, this model has a 2000-watt AC inverter that can safely handle power surges from home appliances, power tools, and other high-consuming electronics. The Yeti 1500X also offers 7-port options, including USB Type-A, USB Type-C, and 120-volt AC ports, so that you can use it for most devices that you need to operate. Charging this generator with solar panels is quite efficient given that it has integrated MPPT too. To ensure that you're getting the most out of the device, you may also connect it to your phone through the Yeti app 3.0. With this, you'll be able to remotely control the equipment, receive real-time notifications about its status, review its historical power data, and set the charging profile according to your preference. Now we got the best solar generator for home appliances, the .0 Energy Titan Solar Generator. If you want to guarantee a working fridge and AC unit during power outages, your best bet is the .0 Energy Titan Solar Generator. The Titan has a 3000-watt inverter with dual solar panels and an MPPT charge controller to maximize its efficiency. Other than solar panels, the Titan is designed to be charged through an AC outlet or car charger too. You can also easily increase the capacity since this model allows stackable Li-ion battery banks that you may use as backups whenever needed. The 8 USB ports, 6 AC ports, and 4 DC outlets can also be used all at the same time. Through this, you'll be assured of continuous power supply as long as you have this solar generator with you. And last but not least, the best solar generator for camping, the Jackery Explorer 1000 Portable Power Station. This compact solar generator weighs only 22 pounds, but can still manage to supply 1000 watts through its wide variety of output ports, including one quick charge USB 3.0 port. By bringing this along your next camping trip, you'd have a reliable source of clean energy to keep your phone, camera, and electric cooking equipment going throughout the trip. If you purchase 2 units of Jackery solar panels, the integrated MPPT charge controller will allow this model to be recharged completely and efficiently by just leaving it under the sun for 8 hours. In case that is not an option at the time, the Explorer 1000 can also be charged through a wall socket, another power generator, or even your car's 12-volt DC outlet. To help you keep track of when to start charging this power station again, this model comes with a built-in LCD screen too. From there, you'd find out key information such as the remaining battery charge as well as the rate of power input and output. Solar generators continue to evolve every year, so they're becoming more reliable sources of clean and renewable energy that you can tap into whenever there are unexpected power outages. We hope our list has helped you find out the right model that will enhance your disaster preparedness. Feel free to leave a comment below about your top pick of solar generators from our list and hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.